How did Covid-19 impact startup funding in India? That's what we will address over the next couple of minutes. So we've got some data from Venture Intelligence for January to September 2020, as well as the latest quarter, which is the July to September data, to give you a sense of how this has panned out. So if you look at the January to September 2020 period, startups raised $6.5 billion across 438 deals. This was obviously a decline compared to $7.9 billion that they raised across 594 deals last year. So the Covid-19 pandemic clearly had an impact if you look at the 9 months data. But in a positive move, the July to September data is certainly showing a sign of a pickup. Though the 9-month data is showing a decline, there has been a quarter-on-quarter improvement if you look at startup funding and deals. So if you look at the July to September data, startups raised $2 billion across 137 deals compared to $1.4 billion raised across 134 deals in the previous quarter. So after the initial COVID shock, where no new deals were happening, funds were investing in some of their existing portfolio, we are seeing signs of a pickup. And if there's been one dominant favorite, it's Edtech. Edtech startups, unicorns, have seen a huge surge in the current year, and that clearly seems to be the flavor of the season, along with other areas such as gaming and e-commerce. So some of the prominent investments include Byju's, Unacademy, Vedantu, as well as Eruditus, all fall in the Edtech pack. And if you look at some of the top investors, that includes the likes of Sequoia, Accel and Matrix from India, apart from funds such as Falcon Edge from the US. Let's break it up city-wise. So which city got the maximum number of deals? It continues to be Bengaluru, followed by the Delhi NCR region and Mumbai. So this is how it panned out. Investments are certainly picking up in the seed stage, but I think they continue to shrink in Series A. That's a trend that we perhaps need to look at closely in the coming months. If the Series A is picking up as well along with the seed stage. But broadly, this is a positive trend. The fact that deals are picking up, investments are rising. We of course have to wait and see if this is sustainable, considering the overall uncertainty that we see in the market, in investment. But this is how the numbers stack up, at least for now.